Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kẹ́ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
Cite just one instance, apart from seeing the hand of God right from the beginning. The 7th week was the hardest for us all. That was when the troop increased their hair rates. It was so intense and persistent that at a point the fear of the bandits became secondary. We were just praying that missiles will not be accidentally dropped on us. But God kept us because we were so exposed, only covered with polythene bags and grasses. So amidst that fear, God consoled our hearts. And that week, it started on Monday. They had told us the previous week that the governor said that before Friday the next week we will be released. So we were calm. But when the hearing started on Tuesday, they become so furious. So towards the end of that week, the commander came, said, "Principal, come." I was already shaking because I know what that could mean. So immediately I got there and said, "See what your government has done. I'm going to kill one of you today." Hey, I just fell down, rolling on the ground. I brought 4 men. There are only 2 remaining. You still want to take another one? I already know that the knowledge of the other 2 will continue to haunt me for a long time. I was just rolling on the ground. And unlike him, he became calm. He became calm. He said, they should call me, that when he left our place, that I should come. He said, "Now that the government has been doing it, what do you want us to do?" I said, "What you asked for is beyond any of the victims' family. Just ask for what we can run around for." He said, "Okay, I will send your message." I thought that had gone. Later in the night, we started hearing shovels walking. My men, the 2 of them, were shouting, "Mama, Mama, lo shovel, I'm on guru shovel." Money, one shisha kan lowo ni. I was crying as I was saying because we all knew what that meant. They were about to bury another person. So those 2, they were shouting, they were pleading.
Tragic story out of Delta State, where a 20-year-old woman identified as favored took her own life, saying that a content creator, Ifeanyi Ogbonna, popularly known as the Odogu of Asaba, raped her in a hotel room. In a chilling video trending on social media, Favor explains through tears how Ogbonna invited her to Asaba for Warri under the guise of mentoring her in content creation last month, but assaulted her instead. She later died after ingesting poison, filming the emotional video before her death. I mean, this is
those
so
periods,
tragic,
they were not free to prepare food because they were afraid that
the Delta State Police Public Relations Officer said that they have now ordered a comprehensive investigation into the allegation, with Ogbonna now under arrest. They shared a video of the content creator, Ogbonna, handcuffed and begging Favor's family members for mercy. He described the whole incident as a terrible mistake. Let's take a look.
1, I pray that I will not meet an empty house. I knew how strong my husband's health. So at a point when they told me that he has closed the line of communication, I said, something has happened to him. You wouldn't have done that on his own.
Conversations around the importance of protecting young women in Nigeria, with many online calling for immediate justice and for Ogbonna to face the full wrath of the law.
So I knew
there will be more investigations, I suppose, but this man has confessed, me basically begging and saying it's a terrible mistake. Terrible mistake, you rape a young girl.
My health.
I think we must have the right nomenclature, because a lot of times we've heard many reasons, we've heard many names for it. Mistake, tempted me, it was your fault.
And God helped me. We were in a place that when you are shaking with fever, the first question is it malaria you have or fever? And the solution is 2 tablets of paracetamol. At worst, Bosca, or whatever they call that name. That last week on Sunday, because of the stress I had gone through on the 7th week, I broke down. My temperature was on the roof and I was shaking. So I just called one of them, the camp commandant, Oga, can I have 2 tablets of paracetamol? I said, no problem. The woman sitting next to me said, Mommy, this is not paracetamol. I said, God will work with it. I used that paracetamol, and to the glory of God, it was as if I was never having the symptoms of malaria. So God saw us, it was God's hand. The release was miraculous. Nobody, I cannot say this is what happened. And just like that man in Luke who said, they were asking him, this man is a sinner, this man is this man. I said, I don't know, but what I know, I was blind, but now I can see. I know that I was incarcerated for a period of time, and at the right time, God rescued me and brought me into the midst of my people. So I give glory unto the Lord. I thank God for what He has done. My family cannot thank Him enough.